Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Android device, ConnectBot app, and an SSH key or credentials. Open ConnectBot and tap the plus sign to create a new connection. Enter user at host now. If you have a private key, tap the menu and import it, because keys avoid repeated password prompts. Once done, save the connection. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is active so the app can reach the server. This first step gets you into the connection workflow immediately. Next, you configure authentication and session options. Tap the saved session and choose the imported key or toggle password auth. This determines how ConnectBot negotiates with the server. Then open the session preferences to set port forwarding, keep alive intervals, and terminal emulation so commands render correctly. If you need a jump host, enable agent forwarding. That passes your key without copying it. Once configured, tap Connect and watch the debug output. It shows handshake details and helps explain failures. Finally, you finish by verifying the session and securing access. Run simple commands like ls and sudo to confirm permissions, and accept or edit known hosts when prompted so future connections trust the server. If you need to preserve output, export the session log from the menu. Make sure to remove unused keys from the device. If things go wrong, first check the host IP, port number, and whether the server's SSH daemon is running. That single check resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.